To conduct a stocktake, follow the following steps. Navigate to the Inventory module and select Stocktake. In the new window that appears, select your storage location where you want to conduct the stocktake. Under the stocktake details, click on the New Stocktake button to create a new stocktake. In the prompt that appears, confirm by selecting OK. A new stocktake will be created, displaying the date and time it was created, along with the name of the service provider who created it. Furthermore, you can also create a new stocktake by clicking on the Actions button at the top right corner of your screen and selecting Create an empty stocktake. To proceed, select the created stocktake and scroll to the bottom of the screen and click Load All Products as shown. The system will load all the inventory items within that location, displaying the name of the item, batch number, item cost, a field for you to edit and enter the physical quantity during the stocktake, and the system quantity. Physically count each item in the storage location. It's crucial to count methodically, item by item, and avoid estimating or rounding off. Enter the physical counts directly into the system in real time, updating the stock levels immediately as you count each item. Do this process for each item. After the stock adjustment, the item will be separated from the others that have not yet undergone a stocktake and will be displayed here. As shown, you'll be able to see the item name, batch, units, system quantity, and the new quantity, as per the stocktake. To commit the adjustment to stock, click on Actions and select Commit Adjustment to Stock. Confirm by selecting OK on the prompt that appears. Now, let's examine the variance report to see how the stocktake has affected both quantity variance and cost variance. To access the variance report, click on the Actions button and select Variance Report from the list. In the subsequent window, the system will display the stocktake variance report with company information on your left and stocktake analysis details on your right, as shown. Moving down, you can see the item name, unit of measure, unit cost, unit price, system quantity, physical quantity, quantity variance, which highlights any discrepancies between the actual and recorded values, and finally the cost variance, which shows the difference between the actual cost and the expected or budgeted cost of the inventory item.